it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I have got a Top Tip Tuesday for you, and it's with the Wink of Stella brush. This is how you will receive it. It does come in a little plastic wrapper, and there are some instructions as well. So let's just open that up, and it says the Wink of Stella brush is perfect for writing and adding subtle, controlled glitter to your stamped images. The brush produces thick and thin lines, allowing for artistic freedom. It also says it is archival quality, acid and xylene free, and shows you how to set it up, which I thought I would go through visually. It does also say that you shouldn't apply it to the body, and you should only use light pressure or gentle pressure. So, you know, the usual keep out of reach of children and all that stuff. So just snip to open the packet, and it always says that you should store it with the brush end up. So let's start with, this is my current one. And it's all set up. It's actually coming to the end of its life, and that's the second tip I have for you today about how to deal with that. So up is where it says GL Clear 999, as opposed to where it's just got some arbitrary printing. But you'll notice that they look slightly different, and that's because this one's set up and this one is straight out of the packet. So all you do is you take the lid off, and at this point it's just like an aqua brush. So it's just it's a dry brush. It's got nothing happening. And if we look at this, you will hopefully see the difference. So let me see if I can get this in the light. So this one, you can see there's something in the barrel, and also on the tip, whereas this one is completely dry. So this one I can add some glitter with, and this one is doing nothing. So this one has got the glitter and this one hasn't. So you unscrew the barrel, and you'll take off this little black ring, pop this back on, and it's at this point that there is a little seal in the barrel that you can see on this one, and you just insert the whole thing together, give it a good shake, always give them, let's put this into its proper lid, always give it a good shake before you use it, so that it's well mixed up, because this glitter will sink. So give it a good shake, and then you'll hopefully see, and I don't know if you can because the lighting is not brilliant, but here it says push and here it says push, and that is where you very gently, just with the nib down, just apply gentle pressure, and you will eventually see, she says, famous last words, there we go, I'll turn it over, you can see it, you can see that it's beginning to fill the barrel, this clear barrel, and oops, and it's just coming through now. So at this point, before it's actually hit the brush, I would start just gently sweeping it across your piece of paper, and the ink should then just run freely, and you shouldn't need to apply pressure too many more times. It should just flow freely whenever you need it. Do remember to shake it before you use it every time, and store it with the brush up. So hopefully you can see that that has got glitter coming through. But I said I was going to give you another tip, because, as I say, this one is beginning to run out, and you can extend the life of your Wink of Stella just a wee bit, if you are very, very careful. I'm just going to grab, hopefully, those might work. I've got a pair of, they look frightening, but they're jewellery pliers, And all you want to do is just very gently lift the black out of the barrel if it's going to play, which hopefully, yeah, it's just beginning to go. You can just, when you're doing this, you can just see that it's going to go, and that is the barrel. And I can see in there that there is a very, very small amount of liquid still in there. So I'm just going to pop this down over here. I'm going to find a tissue to gently lie it on so that most of it is, famous last words, it's not going to lie on there. There we are. Right, now I have got here a syringe just with clear water, and I'm just going to add a very small amount to the barrel. I'm not going to go mad, just a bit, and that will extend the life of your Wink of Stella just a little bit. And I would say just a little bit, so that between one running out and the new one coming through on your order, it will give you that much life. I would not recommend doing it too many times or adding too much water, but it will just extend the life a wee bit more. So you shake it up and then it flows nicely. But it is only water-based anyway, so just adding a little bit more water will extend the life just that tiny weeny bit. So there you are. And I literally added, oh, I don't know, a few millilitres, maybe 2 or 3 millilitres. I certainly wouldn't add much more than 3 or 4. But that's my old one. This is my new one. And I can tell the difference because the barrels will look different. If I can get the lid off. This one has obviously been used and loved, and that one is nice and clean. So there you are. That is today's top tip. So I hope you found that interesting. Anyone who shopped with me in December, just giving you a little hint, you may want to watch that. In, a few months' time, that might be particularly useful. Anyway, don't want to give too much away. Thank you very much indeed. If you found that helpful, do please just click on the, give it a thumbs up. If you don't subscribe, click on the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. If you don't already subscribe to my newsletter or website, you can do that over on my website, and you'll find the link to that in the description bar below this video. It's a little way down, and it says associated blog post. When you shop with me, please do use the host code if your order is under £150. And remember that during Celebration, for every £45 you spend, you get free stuff from the Celebration catalogue. And there are some amazing things in the Celebration catalogue. So here it is, my lovely, treasured Celebration catalogue. So there are 3 ways of saving money. So you can shop. So for every £45 you spend, you get free items from this little brochure. If you place a large order of £200 or more, you get an extra £20 of rewards. And then, of course, the joining offer, where you get additional products in your starter kit, and you get the option of getting the option 2, which means you get the Craft and Carry tote for just an additional £26, and it cost me £47 when I got it. So that's another saving. And then all of these lovely things are available for buying product. This item, the Tea Time Framelets, and the Lasting Lily stamp set, those are both if you spend £90 or more. Everything else is £45 or more, and obviously if you spend £90 you get to choose either one of these 2 items, or you can have 2 of any of the other items, or any 2 of, so you could have that one and that one as an example. So there you go. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon.